Taking proper care of your turntable is essential to ensure that you enjoy maximum listening experience. In this video, I will show you how to maintain and clean your turntable. These are some of the recommended cleaning tools to keep your turntable clean and extend its service life. A soft duster to remove dust particles, such as this one. A microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints and prevent scratches from any debris that might be sitting on the surface of your turntable. A tacky stylus cleaner to clean the stylus between plays. Last but not least, a wet stylus brush to deep clean your stylus. All the cleaning supplies that I just showed you are easy to find online. It is recommended for you to clean your turntable at least once a week or as often as needed depending on your area, and I'll show you how. Clean the surface of the turntable with a soft duster or a clean microfiber cloth as seen to remove dust and dirt that have accumulated and that could cause any scratches. Cleaning the stylus is a very important step to ensure that your records sound crisp and prevent any debris from impacting the sound quality. You can use a sticky needle cleaner as seen in this video or even a brush to remove any dust from the stylus. Ensure to clean carefully, moving from the back to the front of the needle to prevent damaging the stylus. Now that your needle is clean, you're ready to listen to your records and enjoy your music.